Hi all, welcome to Ielts Task 2 topic discussion. I'm Rajeshwari Arun. You're watching me on Excellent International Academy's page. Today the topic is how to beautifully write a Task 2 essay. As we all know from the high school time onwards, an essay requires an introduction, 2 or 3 paragraphs, which means subordinate paragraph, and a beautiful conclusion. When we look into the introduction part, each and every introduction has to closely state for the main idea of the question. So what is the question means and what we know about the question, or rephrase the question from the question itself. That should be your proper introduction. And for paragraph 1, 2, 3, the subordinative paragraph always requires 2 or 3 main ideas. For example, after the introduction paragraph 1, you need to write 2 or 1 main idea. After the main idea, you have to go for explaining what you mean by that idea. It might be a single idea or 2 or 3 ideas merged together in a complex structure. Then after explaining the main idea and the explanation, you have to give a possible solution or possible example for the idea you suggested. This is the model of writing a body paragraph 1. Same like as agree or disagree. You can possibly go for writing 2 paragraphs. One should be agree, the other one is disagree. Then go to the next paragraph and state about what are the other reasons which you wanted to include. There will be maybe 1 reason or 2 reasons. After the reason or the main statement of ideas, go for explain what was that idea again. Then after the ideas, same like as paragraph 1, you need to write an example in paragraph 2 too. Then in conclusion or consolidated ideas of your essay, you have to give what you think about or what is requested in the question to write about. Okay, you need to give your answers in a crystal clear manner. Then close your answer with an ending proper sentence. That's the end of task 2 writing essay. Then let's see what are the kind of words which is required for each and every sentence and paragraph connectivity. There will be so many used phrases and words we are using. Instead of those all usage words, there will be a list of words which you can include in your writing. Those lists are discussed further. The language when we use for writing an essay is always a formal rather than the conversation which we using as an informal manner. So the formal lines were, when you are saying or agreeing with a statement, you can say the words certainly, certainly that, certainly true that, and it is certainly in the case. These are the phrases or the kind of words you can use in the beginning of those essay lines. And when it comes to the reasons why you think it is right or true, you can write the words of perhaps this is because, this could be because, this could be a result of, this may be attributable to, or the final this could be due to. And when you are stating for additional reasons, another reason might be, it is also true that, it is in the case of that, in addition, furthermore, moreover, etc. For example, people often eat the wrong type of food, furthermore, they exercise less. People often eat the wrong type of food, in addition, they exercise less. When you wanted to add a more important reason in your essay, you can use the beginning of more importantly, more significantly, what is more to discuss. When you wanted to say the result of something, you can use the phrases of thus, as a result, for this reason, consequently, this has the effect of, therefore, and you are aiming to giving a different opinion. However, nevertheless or nonetheless, on the other hand, even so, yet. When you wanted to make an argument stronger, you can use the phrase or beginnings. Indeed, it is certainly true that, in fact is, in actual fact. These are the examples you can use. But make sure, do not write the end of these words in the beginning of your essay. Always write the essay with the proper structure and the correct way of usage. For an extra reference, here is a list of vocabulary which is used in the industry for some used terms. The first is and. You can use in addition to, besides, additionally, likewise, plus, furthermore, moreover, next, additionally. And when you are arguing or saying a separate idea, you can use but. But instead of but, there will be a list of vocabulary which you can use. They are on the other hand, then again, on the contrary, on contrast, however, in spite of that, nonetheless, instead, even so, alternatively. For the word or, you can use these words. Else, otherwise, instead, as a substitute. As a substitute to because, given that, as, since, for the reason that. Alternatively, you can use hence, thus, so, likewise, therefore, consequently, that is why, for this reason, above and beyond. And when you wanted to say the word in fact, once you used in fact and you want to use other words instead of in fact, you can use this. As a matter of fact, actually, in reality, essentially, in truth, in effect, in operation. And when you wanted to use then, instead of then you can use next, after that, it follows that, followed by, subsequently, afterward or afterwards. Therefore, when you want to use other words instead of begin, start, initiate, commence, originate, create, instigate, activate, launch, open. For concluding your answers, to sum up, wrap up, deduce, to draw a conclusion, to conclude, to consolidate the ideas discussed, or exemplify, illustrate, demonstrate, represent, embody, epitomize, show. And when you want to agree, consent, approve, concur, harmonious, be in accord, endorse, back up. When you want to disagree, deny, refute, reject, repudiate, renounce, abjure, contradict, disapprove, oppose. And do instead of do, carry out, accomplish, perform, act, take action, take steps, play a part, execute, act upon, produce a result. For achievements, accomplish, attain, complete, bring out, get reach, do. And for compete, rivalry, antagonism, contest, fight, battle, resist, thrash about, retaliate, brawl, stand up for. And for the simple one, good, fine, superior, excellent, decent, high quality, first class, moral, upright, noble, worthy, pleasant, delightful, advantageous, useful, fair, benefit. These are the normal words which you can apply in your task 2 writing. Thank you for watching Excellent International Academy's task 2 writing discussion videos. Keep watch our YouTube channel.